Saras Education Hub. Today I am here to bring some new topic on Selenium, which is very important in Selenium because normally we are using that method. So we'll go one by one. So in this session we'll go to discuss get method, navigate.back, navigate.to, navigate.forward, navigate.refresh, manage.window.maximize, close, quit, get title, get current URL and get page source. These all method we're going to discuss in this session with an example so that it will be easy to understand how to use the method in our script. So first we need to launch the browser. To launch the browser we have to give this two line. Here we are launching the Chrome browser. How to launch the Chrome browser, if you don't know, you can go to my previous session and link is also mentioned in the description box. So first method is a get method. How to write the get method or how to use the get method in your script. So get method return type is a void. See here you can see also get method return type is a void. So see void. So we have to give the inside that this URL. So suppose we want to launch a Chrome browser and open the google.com. Okay, so this is the way, and then we'll give the launch browser using get method. Okay, so this will helps us to navigate to the google.com using the get method. So we can see here this will launch and then google.com is opened also. So see here also in console we can see our output is reflecting. Now the next method is navigate. Okay, so how to use navigate in your script. For navigate also similar way, APIG navigate. See in navigate we have these many methods are there, we can use according to our requirement. So now we'll go to this one. So same thing we are doing, launching the Chrome browser and go to the google.com, but using the navigate. Previously we used the get method. We'll close these. This is the current one which is going on. Launch and see. Here also in console you can see. Okay, so the to and navigate. So using navigate we can go to navigate.to, navigate.back, navigate.forward, navigate.refresh. Okay, what is the difference between get and navigate? Means get and navigate.to, both are means we are using for the same thing. So what is the difference? Get method does not maintain the browser history, but the navigate method, navigate.to, maintain the browser history. Navigate will not wait to load the page fully, but get method wait to load the page fully. So this is the difference between the navigate and to get, navigate.to and get. Okay, I hope these is clear to you. Okay, now refresh also you can use if you want me to give an example. Okay, we'll give an example to you. Simply you need to write driver.navigate.refresh. Suppose again I will give one statement so that we can refresh. See, I closed all the Chrome browser. Now this one is launched. It's going on. Now it's go to the google.com and then see